So I heard back from Garmin and they said that I should first check to see that my VIRB has the latest software. So here's my VIRB and it says you have the latest software. Then it says I should delete the GPS data from my device, and I am on a Mac, so I should follow these directions. Going to go to this, I guess this is the VIRB, Gmetrics folder. Drag the Gmetrics folder to the trash. Sure. Where's the trash? Right there. Okay, it's gone. Click on the trash. Empty trash. Okay. Empty trash. Yes. It's not letting me delete some of these things. Oh, you know what? Let me get out of... This popped up. I think VIRB Edit popped up when I plugged the camera in, so let me get rid of that. Now let me try to empty the trash again. Okay, that worked. Unplug the device from the computer, and then go test it to see if you've noticed any improvement. And that's it. Okay, so I started my Garmin VIRB up and I started to go for a ride. And I'm in a parking lot, and I'm obviously going level, but the VIRB says minus 44%. And my elevation is staying, no, it just jumped up. 2262. And I'm still minus 47%, minus 48%. And I'm going uphill in elevation. And my percent grade is minus 50%. So I don't think that's looking too promising now. My elevation is still in the minus 50 percentage points, and I'm at 2322, 2323, and I'm climbing a hill here, and my elevation was going up. Now this might be a slight downhill, so the elevation could be right, but I'm certainly not going minus 60% grade, which is showing in the third little thing on the left. Now I'm going minus 70% grade, and it's probably close to level, this road. So pretty soon I'm going to hit a dirt road that is all uphill, and we'll see what it does there. So I'm going to skip forward to that and just get on something that's a constant uphill and a little further into the video. So maybe, I don't know, maybe things will smooth out a bit. But now I am going uphill, but I'm certainly not going 27% grade. 29, 30, 32, 35, 37, 38, 40, 42, 44, 45. Wow, is this hill steep? Not. Okay, now I'm on the climb, and I've been on the climb for a little bit, and I'm going at 2 miles an hour, which is probably correct, and 77, 76 RPMs. And the thing says minus 30, minus 20% grade. Now it's finally getting back up to something possibly reasonable, but now it's way beyond reasonable. We're not going 20, 30% grade. We're not going 32% grade. This might be 6 or 7%. So I recorded the entire 2-hour ride, and I can supply Garmin with the GPX file, and I can also supply them with the entire movie if they want it that I made here. But I'm still climbing, and it's saying minus 16%, and my elevation is decreasing even though I'm climbing. Now it's back increasing. Now it's decreasing. But my percent grade is definitely not 31% downhill, or I'd be going a lot faster than 1 or 2 miles an hour. And now it's minus 33% downhill. So, and I seem to be losing elevation rather quickly, even though I'm climbing a hill here. So that's my frustration with this unit. It seems to have absolutely horrible elevation. Now, what I'm going to do, though, is, maybe it's adjusting to the temperature or something. So I'm going to skip way forward in this movie to when it should have totally adjusted. And actually, I'll get to the point where we had a flat tire and spent quite a bit of time fixing it. So if the camera had to adjust to anything, it should have adjusted during fixing the flat tire. Because the bike was stationary, the camera was on, blah, 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 blah. Here we go. Here's where we're fixing the flat tire, and I put my bike up against a tree and started helping fix the flat tire. Now, this took us over 10 minutes to fix, so if anything needed to stabilize, GPS signal, whatever, it should have happened by then. And this is pretty far into the ride anyway. So, something very strange I noticed, which I'm going to skip forward about 5 minutes into fixing this, and I'm going to show you something. Okay, watch the RPMs. It's the upper left thing. I'm not at my bike, and all of a sudden I got 1 RPM. And if we wait a little longer, we'll get some more RPMs. Right now we're looking for the actual source of the flat, a thorn or something. So now I'm doing 2 RPMs, which is very strange because my bike is sitting stationary. So I wonder if things are like way out of sync or something with the movie. Now I'm doing 3 RPMs. Very, very, very strange. Now I'm going to skip further forward. So here we're just finishing fixing things, and I'm doing 37 RPMs while my bike is sitting stationary off camera. Isn't that odd? Yeah. Nothing else is changing. My speed is 0. Pretty soon I'm going to start, and we'll see what happens then. Okay, my speed is still 0, which I would expect, but my 42 RPMs I definitely would not expect. Now I just started moving, and the 2 miles an hour did go up to 2, to 1, to 3, which is probably about correct. Minus 3% grade, probably about right. 0 RPMs now is correct. Minus 2% grade. Now we're kind of getting to a little flat area here, and actually a slight uphill. And now we're starting back down. We only have minus 2%. I think it's a little steeper than that. And this is after the bike has been sitting for 10 minutes at least. Minus 2% grade. I really think this is more like minus 5, 6, 7% grade. Still says minus 2. Now it's going to get a little steeper right here. And we're still at minus... Oh, we're down to minus 1% grade, even though it's steeper. And my elevation is decreasing. Now this is where it gets the most steep, and I'm at minus 1% grade. And now right at the bridge is perfectly level, I would say. So that whole section, it did not register as steep as it should have. Now 0% is probably accurate. 1%, I'll take it. Looking at a waterfall here. Definitely no. I'm going to skip ahead. No. Just wait it out. Let's say 6% grade somehow. 7% grade somehow, even though I'm sitting on a bridge. 8% grade. 9% grade. 10% grade. So I was thinking maybe these really slow miles an hour were probably inaccurate or something. So right now I'm going down a hill at 12 miles an hour, and it's saying I'm going 10, 12, 15, 20, 18% grade uphill, even though I was going downhill. Now I'm all the way up to 29%. So something is very, very wrong here. I don't know if this is normal. Now I'm going minus 33% grade, and it's probably minus 7%. So deleting those files didn't help at all. This is still way off as far as percent grade, and sometimes speed is a little bit off. So now I'm going to go a little further into the video where I'm going down a fairly steep hill, but it's not 30% steep, and it's not uphill. And look at the percent grade, how it's up, down. Now it's minus 26% grade. So it's nowhere near that steep. And now let's see if we get to uphill. No, we're at 2. No, oh, there we go. We're going positive. Went positive 13% grade downhill at 25 miles an hour. So I don't know. I guess, is this typical for everybody out there or just me? I have a feeling it's just me, or I think I'd see a lot more complaints about this. So there you go, Garmin. I can send you the entire movie. I can send you the MP4 file. Whatever you want. I'm glad to help. I'll send the unit back. She'll send me one that doesn't have this issue. And I'll even take down all these videos and put one up that shows that it's fixed if you send me one that actually fixes this problem.